everyone. Welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Let's begin by inviting in stillness, quiet and peace. Just giving yourself permission to just be present, relaxed, and in the moment. Can you begin to follow your breath in and out, in and out, and just feeling your breath, just being with your breath and nothing else. Letting go at each breath, inviting in more peace and more relaxation. Just surrendering right here, right now. Life can be very tough at times, and sometimes we don't know why we feel the way that we feel. We act the way that we act, or we think the way that we think. And the truth is that we don't always have to figure it out. But the most important thing is that we take time. Take time for ourselves, take time to heal, take time to nurture ourselves and love ourselves, no matter what. And so once again, can you honor that today, no matter how you feel or no matter what is going on in your life or within you? Can you take this moment to show up for yourself, care for yourself, and love yourself, or at least try? And so, all is required is to set an intention, to be present and listen, and to take this time to nurture your mind, your body, and your spirit. And we can do that now by simply setting an intention with your breath. And so with the in-breath, what would you like to bring into you? Is it peace, love, blessings, joy? What is it that you need right now. And now on the out breath, think about something that you are ready to let go of. Maybe it's anger, anxiety, depression, fear, stress, whatever it may be. Find it. And so now I want you to intentionally breathe. So on the in-breath, you're going to breathe in the very thing that you desire and that you need. And on the out-breath, let go of anything that is causing you pain and stress in this moment. Are you ready? I will tell you when to breathe in and when to breathe out. Do your best to match this rhythm. Breathing in and breathing out. 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 If you like, now you can begin to picture a color that represents these intentions. So maybe if you wish to breathe in love, you can see a pink energy entering. And if it is stress and depression, then visualize yourself detoxing a dark energy. Breathing in and breathing out. 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 Breathing breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Very good. And now just returning your breathing to its natural rhythm. And now taking a moment to call forth your highest self to assist you today, to guide you, and to invite blessings, love, and light into your life. And feeling that presence as a beautiful white light shine above you. And this light begins to surround your entire body, melting away any negativity, any toxicity, anything that is left behind. Inviting this frequency to uplift your energy, to cleanse your aura, and to align your frequency to your highest and greatest potential. Giving yourself permission to say yes to this energy, to say yes to this shift, and to be open and receptive to this light. And once again, now just focusing back on your breathing as you bathe in this frequency. And when you are ready, now we can begin to return back, gently expanding your awareness back into your body, back into the space. Take your time, slowly return, and when it feels right, open your eyes.